Hello everyone, here we have a PlayStation 5. The power supply has had a meltdown. I'll be changing the power supply to see if the console has some life left. I'll also change the case. First of all, let's get inside and strip it down so we can get to the power supply. Let's see if we can bring it back to life. As you can see, there's a bit of dust covering the fan. I always recommend giving your PlayStation a clean every month or so to prevent this kind of build-up. You can easily remove the panels and do this yourself. It's simple and really helps keep your console running smoothly. The PlayStation I'm working on here is the launch model. Over the years, Sony has changed the design of the board, so newer models can look a bit different internally. The board looks fine. It does have a little staining on the corner, however everything else looks okay. Now let's flip it over and remove the two screws that are holding the power supply in place. If you have a PS5 and it randomly shuts down in the middle of a game, one common cause could be dust build-up around the power supply. The PS5 isn't very well ventilated in that area, so when dust clogs the vents, it can cause overheating and force the console to shut down to protect itself. Alright, the next step is to clean the heatsink thoroughly to remove any dust and debris, and then we'll refit a new power supply. This should help prevent those random shutdowns and keep the PS5 running smoothly. So let's fit a replacement case and get this console looking like new again. A fresh shell not only improves the appearance but also helps protect the repaired hardware inside. It's always nice to send a console back looking and working as close to factory condition as possible. Now let's run a quick test to see if it powers on. It powers on fine. Now let's see if it goes to a white light. Once that's confirmed, we'll get it all put back together. And here's the old case. As you can see, it's melted and definitely needed replacing. Now let's do a final test to make sure everything is working as it should. Okay, it all looks good. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe for more repair content.